Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can talk to AI on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this is the new feature of Snapchat is rolling out this feature slowly to the all users. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store or Apple Store, and here you need to search for the Snapchat, and you need to update your Snapchat application. As you can see that my Snapchat is up to date, then you need to click on open, and here you need to select this conversation icon, and here you can find talk to AI like Team Snapchat. But as you can see that this feature is not currently available to me, but hopefully this feature will be available to me in few days, and I can easily talk to AI. Like you can find here easily, like this one, Team Snapchat. You can easily talk to AI by sending a message, like we can talk to Team Snapchat. So this is a simple process by which you can talk to AI on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.